Hello everyone, this is Ron, and today we're going to learn how to load and use the eBooth Mobility app. First, download the eBooth Mobility app from your App Store. After opening Mobility, press the Manual Setup button. This will bring up the Manual Setup page. Enter your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, and optionally, your organization. You'll have been provided a passcode by your event coordinator. Enter the code and press Register. If you have an eBooth ID, you can skip the manual entry and simply register by pressing the Scan ID button. Focusing on the QR code, Mobility will perform the registration in a single step. In either case, you'll know you're ready to use Mobility when the system returns to the registration page, displaying your information and Terminal Open. You'll receive a welcome email from eBooth Online, thanking you for registering. Now, to use eBooth Mobility. Need to check someone in? Press the registration key. Enter your search criteria. It can be a first name, a last name, or an email address. Once entered, press the magnifying glass in the upper right-hand corner to perform the search. A list of registrants will be displayed. Select the person to check in and press Done. Do they want a receipt emailed to them? Press Yes. Choose the option for a second receipt and you're done. Need to register someone for the event? Press the registration key. Enter first name, last name, and email address. There are fields for organization, type, and address. Press Done. You can register another person or press Done to end the transaction. Just like check-in. You only have to learn eBooth Mobility once. If the person has an eBooth ID or eBooth receipt, you can check in with a scan. Press the registration key. Press the camera icon. Focus on the QR code. Mobility will perform the rest. There are options for self-check-in, taking payment with cash, check, credit, and debit cards, sale of merchandise, and other features. For additional features and functions available in eBooth powered by Mobility, see the additional eBooth videos. See you then!